when the vaccine arrived, we're live.
Sky Lakes Medical Center in Klamath Falls says they prepared for a smooth vaccine rollout.
Sky Lakes has been proactive about precautions generally, whether it's wearing a mask or observing physical distancing. Being a vaccination is another tool in that kit.
According to the Oregon Health Authority, Klamath County has the highest amount of people vaccinated per 10,000 in Oregon at about 135. In fact, Sky Lake says it can even start to offer vaccination to community health professionals who don't work at the center.
Going through them pretty quickly, but we also have enough that we can take care of other healthcare professionals in the community.
But Sky Lakes and Klamath County are the exception to the rule in Oregon. Numbers from the Oregon Health Authority show that while the state has received more than 130,000 doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, just over 20% of that supply has been administered to healthcare workers. And according to a Bloomberg report, Oregon's vaccine rollout is one of the lowest in the country. Jonathan Modi with the Oregon Health Authority says that the delays are due to a number of reasons.
Really a steady flow of vaccines around the country. And that's why sometimes we see adjustments of the allocations that we were initially given.
He says federal officials are constantly adjusting how much each state gets, making it difficult to maintain a steady flow at the county level.
So each provider is making, its own decision of how to get the vaccine out to those who are within that 1A, that phase 1A group.
Even when centers get doses of the vaccine, they have to be mindful of where and when to administer them to follow guidelines and keep workers safe. The Pfizer vaccine needs ultra-cold storage, and facilities need to read up on all the detailed information that comes with vaccines. And the possible side effects need to be taken into account, especially with healthcare workers. But Modi says the state is looking forward to what they call vaccine velocity.
I think we will see the capacity to provide vaccines ramp up pretty dramatically in the coming weeks.
He says as they begin to understand the vaccine and gain more provider partners, the rollout should quicken.
It's exciting that every week we get more providers and really increasing our capacity to get the vaccines out there.
Grace Smith, NBC5 News.